the Congress, no, the reason for that is because of parang impropriety, parang he has, the House of Representatives has been looked down upon because of these lewd photos that he posted with stacks of money, calling on the president to step down. What are your reasons for voting no? Why are you against the majority po?
Like I said, we shouldn't be doing this before holding to account those who have been alleged of corruption, not only outside of Congress, but in Congress. And yung ikinagalit ko po ay yung mga may allegations of corruption mismo, yung bumoto para isuspend si Congressman Barzaga, parang normal lang na nandun lang sa loob ng Kongreso, pinag-uusapan pa paano kumita sa mga projects ng DPWH. At parang hypocritical ang Kongreso na tayo po ay nag-aakusa na nakakahiya si Congressman Barzaga, pero sa tingin ko mas nakakahiya po ang mga sangkot sa korupsyon ng mga kasamahan natin.
You mean to say, my follow-up question, sorry Ricky, I mean to say despite this flood control scam and so many people are being investigated on, pinag-uusapan pa rin kung paano kikita sa loob ng Kongreso? Hindi pa sila natatakot?
Definitely po. At kaya gustong-gusto ng mga iba pa nga ngayon na palakihin pa ang budget ng DPWH sa kanilang mga distrito.
Wow.
Kasi tuloy-tuloy pa ang porsyentuhan sa mga proyekto ng DPWH.
Can I just say one word? Audacity.
Oo nga eh. Ang lakas naman ng loob. Akala ko, di ba, slinash nyo na nga yung budget rin ng DPWH?
Ang balita nga daw po, gustong ibalik.
Ibalik.
Wow.
Balita. Pero nasa Senado na ngayon eh, di ba, yung budget po?
Opo, pero magkakaroon ng BICAM pa.
BICAM. Oo.
At yung Senado kasi is sinlash yung budget.
Yes.
Oo.
So, gusto ng Congress itaas muli. At ang dahilan, I guess, is
Nako, ano yung
because there remains
pasabog
an
yan, Kong, ha?
Oo, pasabog.
Pasabog yan, Kong, ha?
Congress to have a DPWH budget.
Kong, I'm just curious. I'm sure lahat din ng mga nanonood sa atin, can you walk us through kung ano po yung proseso ng Ethics Committee? Paano nyo po sinabi kanina, kasi sinabi nyo, minadali siya kaya nakakagalit. Paano nyo po sinabi minadali? Ano po ba yung tamang proseso ng Ethics Committee ng Kamara de Representantes?
Meron silang committee report that was given to us in my Viber thread 4:18 p.m. right before the vote was going to start. And Congressman Toby Chanco asked for interpellation, which was not granted. So there's basically no debate on the matter. And sa totoo lang naman po, hindi naman din sang-ayon ang karamihan ng mga to kahapon sa ginawang ito. Pero parang napipilitan lang din ang mga miyembro ng mayorya na buo ayon sa anuman ang
Boto sa kanila.
approve ng majority sa atin. Pero ang nakakalungkot lang po ay inuna ito amid all of the other issues that could instead be tackled in Congress, because October 13 was the last day in Congress that we had this high attendance for the approved budget.
Wow.
And then we were told to attend this afternoon, being told what it was for. Akala ko napaka-importanting bagay. Yung kailangan kasi ng 2/3 vote para mag-suspend ng member. So it shows the priorities of Congress. Sinasabi kasi ng iba, bakit sinasabi ko na dapat yung mga korap ang investigahan, hindi sabay.
Yeah.
Hindi ko sabay kasi ngayon lang nagkaroon ng ganitong karaming mga miyembro ng Kongreso na pina-attend ng Kongreso. Kasi tungkol naman sa corruption investigation, pagtungkol sa reforma ng DPWH, wala naman pong ganitong focus ang Kongreso ngayon.
Kong, question lang. Pwede nyo ba sabihin sa amin, kaya nyo ba sabihin sa amin kung sino nagpapunta sa mga congressmen?
Hindi,
Para
yung
bumoto?
mga parties, bahala sa kanilang mga miyembro. So, mga parties lang nagsabi sa kanilang mga miyembro na attendance is required at yesterday's session.
Okay. Kong Leviste, this is my question. Barring, let's say the flood control scam is not present right now, but based on the actions of Congressman Kiko Barzaga, do you think it warrants a suspension? Because they were saying it was parang very, it put the House on a very bad light. His 24 posts that they asked him to take down, lewd photos of women, stacks of money, without the flood control scam. Just his actions. But do you think that he should be suspended in terms of impropriety?
Flood control scam yung nakakaya sa Kongreso eh. Masasabi natin, the corruption in DPWH is systemic and long-standing.
Yeah.
And I think anyone who is involved in receiving kickbacks from DPWH ay mas nakakahiya kaysa sa yung social media posts ni Congressman Barzaga.
Oo. No, I mean in terms of let's put that aside, the DPWH, the budget, but his actions lang. Do you think it's proper?
Yung
What
point
he did.
ko kasi, ma'am, ay ano yung standard natin to suspend a member?
Yeah.
Kasi kung ang standard natin ay kung sino man ang nakakahiya, as much as or more than Kiko Barzaga ang isususpend, baka napakarami po.
Ayun na
ang
nga. Baka maubos ang House of Congress.
Wala po ba yan sa inyong procedural book or, sa inyong, kumbaga, guidelines kung ano talaga, what makes it lewd? Kumbaga, dapat defined yan di ba?
Specific.
So, opo, wala po ba kayong
Impropriety.
specific sa ganyan? Kasi, I guess I would like to also think that the evidence presented against Barzaga or against Congressman Barzaga was not strong. Kaya po siguro nag-no din po kayo for ethical reasons also. So ano po ba yung kailangang i-present, kumbaga, ng Ethics Committee for a congressman like you to vote yes, suspend this congressman?
I would just want to make it a systematic evaluation of members of Congress. Nakakahiya man ang isang miyembro ng Kongreso, hindi ako boboto para isuspende siya kung may 100 mas nakakahiya pa sa kanya. Dapat po unahin natin yung mga pinaka nakakahiya. Kasi yan po yung allegation na unbecoming of a member of Congress yung mga pinopost niya. Pero sa tingin ko mas unbecoming naman yung mga ginagawa ng ibang mga miyembro.
Oo.